So some of the opportunities that we've talked about today from the number of folks I've talked to is working on our prototype initiatives within the vehicle defense industry, our new products that we're going to be running down the production line, a lot to do with additive manufacturing as potential options, a lot of support from production, fabrication, prototype fabrication, whether it's welding, laser technology. So a lot of the smaller fabrication shops that you brought into this event was very helpful. I think I met 3 of those today, and each of them seemed very potential opportunities to AM General. A lot because they're small businesses, which AM General is constantly looking for, and that's becoming more difficult to find. That they've also worked in the defense industry, and they're maybe second or third level down in the vendor scenario, so we may never have really found them from an engineering perspective initially without actually looking at them. Talked to one of the groups here today, said, oh yeah, we worked on the JLTV with Plasan for their body, but never heard anything from AM General in regards to recording the new JLTV production contract. I said, really? Well, give me your contact information here and let's see is there something you can help us with on this initiative, since it's a very flash to bang set to get us into production in August of next year. So that was pretty, I liked that coming into those one-on-one interviews today. And honestly, I think at least of the 7 I sat in today, at least 6 of them I think produced a good value that I think can support AM General with some manufacturing, engineering, or our supply chain group, which need a lot of help right now.